In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on Sprout Social. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Sprout Social website. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace or organization if you manage more than one, since that can affect which posts you're able to view and remove. After you're signed in, the next step is to locate the published post you want to delete. There are a couple of common ways to do this inside Sprout Social, and the exact layout may vary a little depending on your plan or interface. One option is to use the Publishing Calendar. From the left-hand menu, click Publishing, then choose Calendar. This view is helpful if you want to visually browse scheduled and published content by date. Once you're in the calendar, look for the post that has already been published and that you want to remove. Another option is to go through your sent or published content history. Depending on your setup, you may find this under Reports or under Publishing. From there, locate the history of content that has already gone out, then open the details for the specific post you want to delete. This approach can be useful if you don't remember the exact publish date, but do know the account or type of content you're looking for. Once you've found the post, click on it to open it. Take a moment to review the post details carefully. This is important because you want to make sure you're deleting the correct content, especially if similar posts were published across multiple social profiles. Double-check the connected social account and confirm that the post shown is the one you actually want to remove. If the connected social network supports deletion through Sprout Social, you can remove it directly from here. Look for the More Options menu, which is typically shown as 3 dots. Click that menu, then select Delete Post. After that, you'll usually be asked to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm it to complete the process. Keep in mind that deletion availability can depend on the social network itself. So if you don't see the delete option, that usually means the platform may not allow post deletion from within Sprout Social. But if the option is there, following these steps should remove the post successfully. And that's how to delete a post on Sprout Social.